Hoes, look at this shit. Shit ain't gonna reach. Bet I'll dab through. Fuck it. Now I gotta go back, do some extra work. Get the long hoes, which I meant to get the third time, you feel me? Yeah, now we rocking. Hook that motherfucker up, Belly. Now we got that motherfucker going. We about to hit my Kodak Bop on him. I just took me a Celsius drink and I'm going stupid right now. I'm lit. Now we're letting the shit run out. I'm on the phone talking goddamn shit. Goddamn, my goddamn brother and shit. Kicking shit. You feel me? Shut that motherfucker lifting up. That motherfucker finished draining out. Now I'm about to walk it out. Make sure ain't no more fuel in that motherfucker. Take it off, walk it out again. Take it off, put it back on the trailer. We done with that motherfucker. You feel me? Put it on the other goddamn tank. Get the other hose. Run that bitch so we can get up out of there quick. You feel me? Yickety!